Hello, 7th graders in the Summit Learning Platform. Welcome to Week 7's instructional launch in English. My name is Mrs. Roop. I am your English instructor. This week 7, we're going to concentrate more on projects, getting your projects done. Because the first project in 7th grade, the cultural narratives, is due on November the 1st. And that's really not very far away. It's time to move on quickly to catch up with that blue line and get some grades in your progress. There are only 5 checkpoints to do in the first project. How many do you have done right now? Well, let's take a look at them. The first thing you were to do was to read The House on Mango Street. And that is housed in our Google Classroom. If we go to Google Classroom in 7th grade, here you go, 7th grade. I put it right on the top, The House on Mango Street. It's open for you in an audio book, and the author will read it to you, and it only takes 2 hours to read the entire book. So I expect that to be done by now. Okay, so that you can start on your first project. Your checkpoint number 1 is analyzing The House on Mango Street. And you do that by going to Summit. Here's a learner that you see that has already done a lot. Going to Summit, your year view, your cultural narrative. The first checkpoint, reading analysis. There's a form. It won't be here at first, but if you go over here, the form is right here, and you can start filling in that form and copying and pasting and putting into your first checkpoint. Okay. The second checkpoint is to do 3 journal entries. There's one of them in the form. There's actually 2 more, 2 and 3, that you need to finish up and submit for feedback. The third thing to do is to start writing your own narrative. Now, there is an outline to help you get started and some writing prompts. So look for the writing prompts over on the side, fill in the form, and again, submit for feedback. Checkpoint number 4. After you've done writing, how are you going to present it to others to make it more interesting? If you're like me, I prefer pictures, and apparently so does Summit. Not only writing, but make it more interesting with some drawings or some photographs. So look at checkpoint number 4 for some ideas. And then the last checkpoint, the final thing, is to put your narrative, what you've written and what you've presented, into this form and submit for feedback. Okay. So I've included Scooby-Doo in this because he is somebody who is a go-getter. Get that Scooby snack. Get what he wants done. If you have any questions, you can reach me on Google Hangouts during my working hours, which is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you try to Google Hangout with me later, I won't answer you until the next day. But you can always send me an email any time of day, and I will get back to you.